for me, it's very new in the character that I portrayed as James. Wala pa akong na-encounter na gagawang character kasi na gano'n, na talagang pumasok sa mundo ng content creation, tapos yung mga problema ng bagong generation, yun yung bitbit na.
Masaya actually. It's my first time to work with Khalil and first time ko lang din gumawa ng movie sa Cinemalaya. So I think it's an unforgettable experience as an actress kasi matagal ko na rin talaga gusto ko nang gumawa ng Cinemalaya movie. And now, nabigyan kami ng opportunity na mag-lead sa movie na to. So it's very challenging. Medyo nakaka-pressure din kasi yung role ko dito is more mature, something more intimate. So I'm super excited na mapanood ng tao yung pinaghirapan namin.
I'm very much happy to finally be back doing films. Alam niyo naman na yung Cinemalaya is really, you know, the festival na kung saan lahat ng mga directors at mga storytellers ay nagde-debut ng kanilang mga kwento. And just like Direk John, our director, this is his baby, and we're just very happy to be part of it and his story. Ang saya lang kasi sobrang collaborative nung buong team. I'm very much happy na si Ash yung nakapartner ko dito. She's very game sa lahat ng mga ginawa ng eksena, walang tension, walang awkwardness, and we just really let the story flow through the entire shoot. And yeah, we're so happy to be here and we're excited for everyone to see it. We did
Parang dalawa.
Two-day workshops siya. May isang workshop din for our script reading at intimacy exercises, which helped a lot kasi kailangan talaga yun. Ako naniniwala ako na lahat ng project dapat merong work before the shoot. So yeah, those are some of our preparations.
Same lang din with Khalil. I think with the help of the script reading and before kami mag-start nag-shoot, nakasama namin lahat ng mga co-actors ng production to, you know, build a relationship with each other para pagdating sa set, komportable na kami sa isa't isa. Well, siguro now, kasi yung huling nakita sa akin ng mga tao as Ponggay sa Hearts and Eyes. Si Ponggay kasi she's very positive, teleserye siya, so parang medyo fairy tale vibes kasi skating. Dito it's very different, it's more parang realistic, lalo na sa generation namin ngayon. Maraming makaka-relate kasi yung character ko here, si Gemma Stone, she's a content creator. And usually yung mga relationships ng mga ka-generation namin, how they know if love na ba to or hindi, how it works. On cam, off cam, kasi sa social media natin. Sa social media ngayon, hindi natin alam kung ano yung totoo ba yun, off cam or on cam. So basically, yun yung makikita nila sa movie na.
Just like what Ash said, itong role na to, for me, is a role, I think my first ever role na talagang sobrang laking factor sa character yung social media. We really explored the problems of the new generation, yung authenticity ng isang tao, kung totoong pagmamahal ba talaga yung binibigay niya o pagmamahal yun ng ginagawa nila on cam. So for me, it's very new in the character that I portrayed as James. Wala pa akong na-encounter na gagawang character kasi na gano'n, na talagang pumasok sa mundo ng content creation, kasi yung mga problema ng bagong generation yung bitbit na.